so hard to believe this is real. I swear I'm going head over heels, but honestly I'm so shook. Cause when you came in my life I started hating goodbye.
Mr. Snowman, come home with me. I can make you a warm cup of peppermint tea, but I know that this might be a silly dream, 'cause in time you will melt away.
Maybe I was never meant to be loved. If I can even give a warm touch, maybe I am just a little bit too much, but I could really use a warm hug.
Mr. Snowman, come join me inside. I can turn on the AC, I really don't mind. I can build us an igloo of snow and ice. Don't you worry about melting away. Maybe we are all meant to be loved, and we could all use a warm touch. Maybe we are all a little bit too much. I think you and I are enough. Mr. Snowman, come join me inside.
I think